My first job in the food industry was actually working in the front of the house for Jose Andres at Cafe Atlantico Mini Bar. It was I quit a PhD in neuroscience and then had no idea what I wanted to do, but knew I loved food. So I went kind of door to door to the best restaurants in DC, like begging for jobs, and his team let me in. My favorite person to cook with is my daughter. She is 4 years old and she loves cooking and helping out. Her favorite thing is to try to like cut things with this plastic safe knife, you know? And if you've ever seen a child try to cut things, they're very challenging. She does a pretty good job with it, so, but we have a lot of fun. My guilty pleasure food has got to be Cheetos, you know, the like crunchy kind, that's like gas station stop, and if I see it, I just can't say no. So yeah, I probably shouldn't tell people that. Oh gosh, that's hard. My must-have kitchen tool. You know, I have a cast iron pan that was my grandmother's that like sits out on my range at all times, like just ready, waiting to be used, and I cook dinner in it every single night. What is always in my fridge? Something, or what's always in my fridge? Let's see, something that is not boring, like butter and eggs. Kerrygold butter, man, that stuff is amazing. The like salted kind, it like spreads on almost cold. It's super fatty and delicious. That's always in my refrigerator. I like listening to a lot of different things, but one of my favorite bands is Sylvan Esso, and I just think that they are fun and upbeat, and it's like music that makes you want to cook and dance kind of simultaneously. Things that don't look like food, you know, like things with colors, like donuts and bagels that have like rainbows and like they're neon green. I'm like, what is that? That is not meant in nature. So that I think needs to just go away. So my go-to answer on what my last meal would be used to always be like a baguette and wine and cheese. But honestly, you know what it is now? It's seafood from the Mediterranean. Like the coast of Spain, just prawns and anchovies and little teeny tiny clams called tallarines. Oh my gosh, that's my last meal. It's just all the seafood from the Mediterranean. Karaoke, I'm always the person who picks the songs that you shouldn't pick. Like you've had too many drinks and you think that you know the lyrics to Ice Ice Baby by Vanilla Ice, and you get up there like all ready to go for it, and you just don't know the lyrics, and it's too fast, and you like fall flat on your face and make a fool of yourself. That's me at karaoke. Fail-safe Spanish wine to serve with any meal is actually sherry. Honestly, it goes like a manzanilla or a fino. It pairs with everything and anything, and it's super food friendly.